Personality development tips for introverts. Being an introvert is often misunderstood in a world that celebrates loud voices, constant networking, and non-stop social interaction. Many introverts grow up believing they must change their natural nature to succeed. In reality, personality development for introverts is not about becoming more extroverted, it is about understanding, accepting, and strengthening who you already are. Introverts have unique qualities that, when developed consciously, can create a powerful and inspiring personality. Understanding and accepting your introverted nature. The first step in personality development is self-acceptance. Introversion is not shyness, weakness, or a lack of confidence. It simply means you gain energy from solitude and prefer meaningful interactions over large social gatherings. When you accept this truth, you stop fighting yourself. This inner peace becomes the foundation of confidence. The moment you stop apologizing for being quiet, your personality begins to feel authentic and strong. Building confidence from the inside out. Introverts often have a rich inner world filled with ideas, emotions, and insights. True confidence for introverts develops internally before it appears externally. Instead of trying to appear confident, focus on becoming confident. Spend time reflecting on your strengths, values, and achievements. Self-awareness allows you to trust yourself, and when you trust yourself, others naturally trust you too. Speaking with clarity and purpose. Introverts may not speak often, but when they do, their words usually carry depth. Personality development does not require talking more, it requires speaking with clarity and intention. Before conversations or meetings, prepare a few thoughts you would like to share. This preparation reduces anxiety and increases confidence. A calm, thoughtful voice often commands more respect than loud or excessive speech. Managing social energy effectively. Social interaction can drain introverts quickly, which is why energy management is essential. Personality growth does not mean forcing yourself into every social situation. It means choosing where to invest your energy. Schedule time alone to recharge, especially after social events. When you respect your own limits, you show self-respect, and this strengthens your overall presence and personality. Developing strong listening skills. One of the greatest strengths of introverts is their ability to listen deeply. Good listening builds trust, understanding, and meaningful connections. When people feel heard, they feel valued. This skill makes introverts powerful communicators without needing to dominate conversations. Over time, your reputation as a thoughtful listener enhances your personal and professional relationships. Overcoming overthinking and self-doubt. Introverts tend to think deeply, which can sometimes lead to overthinking. While reflection is valuable, excessive analysis can create self-doubt and fear of action. Personality development requires learning when to stop thinking and start doing. You do not need to be perfect before you act. Confidence grows through experience, not perfection. Each small action builds courage and self-belief. Learning assertiveness and setting boundaries. Many introverts struggle with saying no because they want to avoid conflict. However, assertiveness is an essential part of personality development. Being assertive does not mean being aggressive. It means expressing your needs respectfully and clearly. Setting boundaries protects your energy and self-worth. When you communicate your limits calmly, people are more likely to respect you. Expressing yourself in authentic ways. Personality development is deeply connected to self-expression. Introverts may not enjoy public speaking, but they often excel in writing, creativity, or one-on-one communication. Find a form of expression that feels natural to you. When you express your thoughts and emotions honestly, you release inner tension and build emotional confidence. Developing body language and presence. Confidence is not only about words, it is also about how you carry yourself.
Simple adjustments in body language can make a significant difference. Maintain relaxed posture, steady eye contact, and a calm facial expression. These nonverbal signals communicate confidence even when you are silent. A composed presence often speaks louder than words. Redefining success on your own terms. Introverts often compare themselves to extroverts and feel they are falling behind. Personality development requires redefining success according to your values. Success does not always mean being the most visible person in the room. It means being reliable, thoughtful, emotionally intelligent, and consistent. These qualities build long-term respect and influence. Growing through small, consistent steps. Lasting personality development doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, consistent steps. Challenge yourself gently each day. Speak up once, share an idea, or initiate a meaningful conversation. These small victories accumulate over time and transform your self-image. Growth doesn't need to be dramatic to be effective. Embracing your quiet strength. In the end, personality development for introverts is about embracing your quiet strength. You do not need to change your nature to succeed. Your calmness, depth, and sensitivity are powerful assets in a noisy world. When you accept yourself fully and develop your strengths intentionally, your personality becomes confident, authentic, and inspiring. Quiet confidence is rare, and when it's genuine, it leaves a lasting impact wherever you go.